Imagine this for a second. What if there was a phone that didn't just connect to cell towers, but to the actual satellites orbiting above Earth? What if you could live anywhere in the United States? In the mountains of Colorado, in the deserts of Nevada, even in the middle of Alaska, and still have unlimited high-speed internet in the palm of your hand without paying a single monthly bill? And now, imagine if this device didn't cost $2,000 like Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, but instead launched at just $780. But here's where it gets wild. This isn't just a new phone. This could be the end of Apple's dominance, the collapse of telecom giants, and the birth of an entirely new internet era. Well, friends, that's exactly what Elon Musk has done. Tesla has just revealed the Tesla Pi phone, and not only does it look futuristic, but it also has one feature that could destroy Apple and Samsung overnight: lifetime free Starlink satellite internet built in. Today, we're diving deep into Tesla's latest innovation, the $780 Pi phone. We'll break down its features, compare it to Apple's iPhone 17, Samsung's Galaxy Ultra, and even upcoming Chinese tech competitors, and explore why this little device could disrupt not just the smartphone market, but the entire global internet industry. So grab a seat, because this isn't just another tech gadget reveal. This is a revolution, and trust me, the deeper we go, the crazier it gets. You won't believe what Tesla has hidden inside this phone. Part 1, the big announcement. Tesla officially revealed the Pi phone first look and hands-on during a surprise showcase, and the internet absolutely exploded. For years, people speculated about a Tesla phone. There were rumors, leaked renders, even concept videos, but Musk always brushed them off as unlikely. In fact, in 2021, when asked about a Tesla phone, Musk said, "It doesn't make sense unless we absolutely have to." And yet, here we are in 2025, with an actual working prototype that shocked the entire tech world. The headline everyone's talking about? The price. Instead of going head-to-head with Apple at the $1,200, $1,500 flagship range, Tesla dropped the Pi phone at just $780. To put that into perspective, the average flagship smartphone in the US costs around $1,200. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at nearly $1,390 before storage upgrades. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, $1,209, and what about Tesla? Just $789. That's nearly half the cost of an iPhone, and it comes bundled with something no other phone on Earth offers: free lifetime internet. This isn't just a new product launch. It's a declaration of war. But here's the real kicker. What's inside this device makes even the price look like a side story. Part 2. What's inside? Features. Now let's get into the juicy details. What makes the Tesla Pi phone so revolutionary? Feature 1. Direct Starlink connectivity. The biggest game changer is built-in Starlink satellite internet. Unlike Apple or Samsung phones that rely on carriers like AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile, the Pi phone bypasses the middleman completely. Every Pi phone comes with direct access to Starlink's global satellite constellation. That means no SIM cards, no roaming fees, no monthly carrier contracts. Whether you're in New York City or hiking in Yellowstone, your phone is connected. And here's the shocker. It's free. Tesla confirmed that lifetime Starlink connectivity is bundled into the price of the phone. No bills, no hidden fees. Just buy the phone and you're online for life. Think about that for a second. The average American spends $1,200 a year on phone bills. Over 5 years, that's $6,000. Tesla wipes all of that out with $789 payment. This alone could bankrupt traditional telecom companies if it scales. But That's just the beginning. Feature 2. AI-powered Tesla OS. Instead of running iOS or Android, the Pi phone introduces a brand new Tesla OS. This isn't just an operating system. It's an AI-driven assistant designed to adapt to you. It learns your habits, automates your daily tasks, and integrates directly with other Tesla products. Drive a Tesla car? Your phone doubles as a seamless digital key. Have Tesla Solar or Powerwall? The phone becomes your control hub. Use Starlink at home? Your Pi phone automatically syncs with your network. It's not just a phone. It's your personal AI assistant connected to Musk's entire ecosystem. Imagine Siri and Google Assistant combined, but on steroids, and trained on Tesla's self-driving AI brain. Creepy smart? Absolutely. Powerful? Beyond anything on the market. Feature 3. Solar charging back. Panel. Another mind-blowing feature is the built-in solar charging panel. The back of the phone has a thin, flexible solar layer that can generate enough energy for emergency charging. That means if you're off-grid, camping, or in a power outage, your phone keeps running as long as there's sunlight. Travelers, hikers, and remote workers don't ever have to worry about running out of power. Imagine being in the middle of the desert with 0 outlets, and your phone never dies. That's not just convenience, that's survival. Feature 4. SpaceX and Neuralink integration now. This one sounds like science fiction. Musk hinted at early integration with Neuralink. While it's not fully available yet, the Pi phone's hardware reportedly has neural-ready components designed for future updates. Think about it. A phone that could eventually connect directly to your brain, typing texts, browsing the web, controlling apps, without lifting a finger. It may sound crazy, but remember, Musk built rockets everyone thought were impossible. He made EVs cool when the world laughed at them. Neuralink might be next. Feature 5. Free Starlink data forever. And of course, the cherry on top. Lifetime Starlink internet. No SIM, no bills. Unlimited global coverage. This isn't just a phone feature. This is a threat to the trillion-dollar telecom industry. But here's the scary part. If Tesla actually pulls this off, what happens to AT&T? Verizon, T-Mobile? They could vanish within a decade. Part 3. Comparison with Apple, Samsung, and others. So, how does the Tesla Pi phone stack up against giants like Apple's iPhone 17 or Samsung's Galaxy Ultra? iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at $1,399, requires a carrier plan, no satellite internet except emergency SOS. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, around $1,299. Powerful specs but still tied to telecom contracts. Tesla Pi phone $789, lifetime free Starlink internet, solar charging, AI OS, and Tesla ecosystem integration. The difference is night and day. Apple and Samsung focus on incremental updates, better cameras, faster chips, shinier displays. Tesla, it's attacking the very foundation of how smartphones connect to the world. And let's not forget Chinese companies like Huawei and Xiaomi. They've tried pushing satellite texting, but Tesla just skipped ahead to full-blown satellite internet for everyone. This isn't competition. This is disruption. And the shock waves will be felt worldwide. Part 4. The impact. USA focus. Now let's talk impact, especially in the United States. One of the biggest issues in America is the digital divide. Millions of people in rural areas still don't have reliable internet access. Kids struggle to do homework. Families can't work remotely. Businesses can't compete. The Tesla Pi phone changes that overnight. For $780, anyone can get unlimited high-speed internet anywhere in the country. And remember, no monthly bills. For a student, that's saving $80–100 a month on carrier fees. For retirees, it's financial freedom. For remote workers, it's independence. Telecom giants like AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile will be forced to adapt or collapse. Real estate values in rural areas could skyrocket because internet access is no longer a barrier. Emergency services, disaster recovery, and even military communications could all benefit. This little phone could reshape America's entire communication infrastructure. And here's the wild part. This may actually change housing markets, job markets, even politics. All because of a $789 phone. Part 5. Why U.S. audience should care. Why should you, watching from the U.S., care about the Tesla Pi phone? For students and young people, it's the first truly affordable way to get unlimited internet without being tied to a carrier. Perfect for school, gaming, social media, or even side hustles. For retirees, it's a simple, secure device with no bills. Easy to use, always connected, and emergency ready. For tech lovers, it's basically a space phone, AI-powered, solar charging, and future-ready for Neuralink integration. This isn't just another smartphone launch. It's a once-in-a-generation disruption. Part 6, challenges, of course. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. The Tesla Pi phone faces some serious challenges. Telecom resistance. Carriers like Verizon and AT&T won't go down quietly. Expect lobbying, lawsuits, and regulatory blockades. Satellite coverage. While Starlink is expanding rapidly, coverage isn't perfect yet. Rural users may face limited speeds in early rollout. Legal battles. Apple and Samsung could sue Tesla for everything from design patents to network competition. Scalability. Manufacturing millions of phones while keeping costs under $800 is no small feat. But here's the thing. Musk thrives in chaos. The bigger the resistance, the more unstoppable he becomes. Part 7. Future vision. And finally, let's talk about the future. Elon Musk himself said the Pi phone is only the first step. In the next 5 to 10 years, Tesla plans to build smart ecosystems where your phone, your car, your home, and even your internet all run on one integrated platform. Imagine Tesla smart cities powered entirely by solar, connected by Starlink, with Pi phones acting as the central hub. Your home security, your transportation, your communication, all bundled into one futuristic system. That's Musk's vision. And the Pi phone is the entry ticket. Finally, so here's the question. Would you buy the $789 Tesla Pi phone with lifetime free Starlink internet if it were available today? Would you ditch your iPhone or Galaxy for a phone that offers double the freedom at half the price? Or do you think this is just another Elon Musk experiment that may never go mainstream? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinion. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon, because trust me, you don't want to miss the next big Tesla news. Because if this is the beginning, the future is about to get very, very exciting.